BMC. Give us an example of a program you'd like to highlight in respect to incorporating this technology.
Yeah, let's talk about something that applies in the federal space in particular. I think all of the parties here and listening have assets out in the field that they rely on to be available, right? And so one of the things that we're doing with one of our federal partners is making sure that we can converge OT and IT data to be able to speed up all of the actions that have to be taken based on what that data is telling you. So, if it's an aircraft, there is 2 gigabytes of data that is being created in a single flight. How do you take all of that data, combine it with weather data and operator data and all of the equipment data, maintenance data, so that when that flight lands, all of the varying parts that have to be put into place for that flight, for that asset to be used again, can be automated. Are parts ordered and available at the place that the plane's going to land because of the sensor data that's throwing off something? Have the operators been alerted and notified of potential changes in the mission that's going to be required with that particular aircraft? And when you have not just that one asset, but then a whole fleet of those assets with all of that data, being able to use AI to monitor that entire fleet and understand what's happening, it means that you have the right people at the right place, the right parts at the right place, and that those assets, that equipment is available when it's needed. Because many of these missions aren't pre-scheduled and pre-planned, right? They're highly reactive. And so how do you make sure that all of those technology assets are available? Because you're combining that OT and IT data in a way that can be actionable and automated. It's something we call precise, or our BMC Helix Edge, but it's just a very real world example of how all of these technologies can come together with a result that ultimately means that the work gets done when we need it done.